here to talk to you today about one of the things that I think at KC Power Clean is very compelling and very interesting. And what it is our 5% referral program. If you have worked for someone where you're a brand ambassador and you're out pushing a product or service and you haven't been compensated for wearing that what feels like a sales or marketing hat, we've solved that problem. So if you were to come and work at KC Power Clean and you hand out your business card or some sales collateral, it could be door hangers, it could be postcards, it could be sales pamphlets, and you generate sales, you get 5% of the sale from the top. So if it's $1,000 service, you get $50. That's simple. In addition to the fact that you don't have to be the one who goes out there and services that customer. You don't have to be on that account and work for that account. One of the neat things about this is a potential way where if you're to come and work at KC Power Clean as a power washer for several years, and let's say that you have this little inkling inside of you that you can actually sell, you can build up a book of business, but maybe you're too timid or lack the resources or the know-how or the capital to actually go start your own company in the power wash world, this is a great avenue to come and test your skills, because in the course of that, you'll learn how a hopefully rather healthy service business operates. You'll learn the tools and the techniques, the strategies that we use to grow KC Power Clean. And all the while, you can be building up our book of business and your own passive income by putting on your sales hat. The truth is, sales in the power wash world is not that complicated. Really, when people see it, when they hear about it, it's a service that most people need. Everything gets dirty, and it's rather recession proof too. I've heard someone say the idea of someone not paying for a power wash to maintain their store or their home would be in a recession or down economy would be somewhat similar to saying I got a mustard stained t-shirt and I'm not going to fix it because the economy is bad. It's a relatively inexpensive service, and it's something that people will always need in good times and in bad. So my challenge to you is come try your skills. This is a great avenue where we're trying to create win-win scenarios with our technicians and really put them to the test on how they do while performing in a sales and marketing seat. Because we allocate about 5% of every dollar in our company towards our marketing spend. We figured, why not make our technicians our biggest brand ambassadors and create one of the biggest sales forces in the power washing world? So I hope that's intriguing to you. Come check it out. We're excited to meet you at KC Power Clean.